Welcome to the in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to mount Ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound settings section. Just here we can see the ringtone volume panel, and to move the ringtone of your device you should swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in volume button controls function you got selected ringtone, not the media, and to use the volume buttons here on the right side of the device to change the ringtone volume. So now just by press down volume button here on the right side of your device, you can also mute your device ringtone. And also we can do it by the third way, just by use this volume panel here and to swipe manually with our finger to the down the ringtone volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.